Today is the day where we do a thorough cleaning as we would like to clean everything before the Lunar New Year, before we put up all the decorations. For spending some time to help with the spring cleaning. Today, taking some time while you're having this steam bun here, that's actually a significant meaning behind that. It comes from Verbal Master's Great Compassion. Back in year 2016, where he had a stroke and he had to go through brain surgery. And then just recovering not too long, and he was like making his round, and then he heard that people are having meals at the dining hall. He just said that make sure everyone has enough. Yeah, so the next day, the next morning, which happens to be Amitabha Buddha's birthday, everyone has a steam bun. So it comes from the great compassion from Verbal Master Xing Yun, that even though he's physically still recovering, he always think about what can I do for you. He always think about every single one of us.